another generator project video. Got the meter out, AC voltage, you'll see why. Little coil wire wrapped around some PVC, or well, probably not PVC, but plastic of some kind. This is wire out of Cat5 cabling, if you're wondering. And I've got my handy dandy alligator clips. Got my neodymium magnets on a nice long bolt. And this is what I was doing earlier in another video that you may have watched. I was doing this, and I was actually getting a voltage rise. And you can see you can get a surprising amount of very, very low end voltage, but a surprising amount of it nonetheless. And that's just from me moving back and forth. And that's with 18 gauge? No. 24 gauge wire. And not a lot of it. As you can see, not a lot. Not a lot of windings. So you get enough windings with enough wire of the right gauge, depending on how much current you want to flow, you get a lot of power out of just a little shaker like that. So, demonstration of Faraday's law of magnetism in wires. Not a lot to be said about it. The magnetic field sets up forces up against the electrons in the copper or the steel, whatever it is. It does have a desire to flow electricity. Moves the electrons along, and boom, electricity, because that's what electricity is. It's moving electrons. And yeah, that was just a small demonstration of the general principle that my son used in his project. And then, of course, immediately showed everybody with the full-size generator just how much more voltage could be generated. And I don't remember if I mentioned in the first video, but we got it upwards of 8+ volts AC, and it usually was about 7 volts DC running through the bridged rectifier, because there is some loss off the bridged rectifier. It's still here. You can tell I'm on a video authoring binge here at the moment. So there we go. Don't want to babble on any longer. So that's the base Faraday proof of concept. So neodymium magnets, and it's gotta be neodymium magnets. If it's not, it's just not going to work. If you're wondering if you can use cheap ceramic type magnets, I bought some. It is barely measurable. So definitely do yourself the favor. Get the neodymium magnets. Find a place online that sells them. Order them in. If you're in the United States or Canada, there's lots of places. These I ordered from a place called Lee Valley. They sell tools and all kinds of other stuff. But they also do happen to carry neodymium magnets, because these are useful for way more than just science projects. Put stuff on the fridge. On their own, separately, they're not so insane. This is what they are in a stack, because they're strong. Look how far away I am, and it's still staying on. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, and now it fell. So yeah, so that was a proof of concept, just to show Faraday's principles of magnetism at work. And I will catch you later. And again, as always, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe. Don't subscribe. Well, I prefer you subscribe. Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.